Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video we are just going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Biling 4-watt solar aeration kit. Now this is certainly used for adding sort of water movement as well as aeration into your pond. And what you can do with that, guys, is certainly help the fish health. If you do run things like koi and other types of fish in your ponds, but also if you're just looking for a little bit of water disturbance, this could also be a great kit and certainly good value for money. But what we'll do is get it unboxed, set it up for you, and give you my overall review. Right, so I'm just going to show you what's inside the box here of these. These are the Airstones. So this is going to be for your pond. Giving aeration, so if you've got sort of fish and that sort of stuff, these can always help. Also helps with water disturbance. Let me just show you what's in the box here. Right, so we've got our user's guide. These are always helpful, guys, if you're kind of unfamiliar with these sorts of products, but it should be pretty straightforward, and I will just show you how you put all that together as well here. So we'll just take that out, and I will, once we get these all out, I'll kind of step back to show you everything sort of on its side there. Right here, guys, so we've got our pump. So this one here is going to be the 3.5 watt pump. This does have a 2200 millihour battery in it as well, battery backup, so it should keep this going just that little bit longer when the sun does go down. And of course, guys, we've got a long cable again provided with that here. Just here, guys, we've got our air lines that's going to connect up to our pump, which I'll show you in a second. You've got your 3 Airstones here. We've also got the mounting bracket, as well as a stake if you wanted to put this solar panel directly into the ground. We've also got your fitments for those. And lastly, guys, you've got your smaller solar panel. Again, these technologies are really, really good. So even on a somewhat cloudy day, guys, we will still get some good power out of this. Let me just lay these out so I can show you them all together. Okay, so we've got that all laid out here. You can see kind of nicely, guys, it's not a huge amount of kit that you get in the box here, but once again, it sort of does the job. With that said, guys, if you haven't used these sorts of things before in your ponds, again, they're very good for providing that little bit of extra water disturbance, but also, once again, giving aeration to the pond as well. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to take these hosing, connect it to here, and what we'll do then is it does then attach into one of your Airstones here. And you can also see, guys, in the pack we do have a splitter, so we can then split these into 3. I'll just show you that here. As you can see, we've got one of the Airstones here, and we've connected that into your cord. Now, once again, you would trim this down to fit all 3, but once again, that other end of the hose here, guys, is just going to go right into the pump there. So just to show you, we've got the battery alongside here. Now, this is just a temporary setup, just to kind of give you an idea of how this looks in sort of first run on this pump, on this air kit here. You can see I've got the solar panel just here off the back for now. Again, you know, if it goes into its permanent place, I'm going to be wiring these all in properly, but just to show you the tests that we've got here. And you can see this is in one of our more recent Waterfall builds. So you can see here, this is using the 50 watt Biling solar fountain kit with overflow box, and this is the metal box version as well, so a little bit more sturdy on that side. If you haven't seen the build or the review of that pump, certainly check that out. It will be more recently on the channel here. Now what we'll do is just turn this on for the first time and let you see. I'm just using the one Airstone at the moment, and we'll just see how that works. So I'm going to press the power button here, and you can see it's gone green. And there we go. You can just see here, lovely little bubbles coming up here. Gives us a nice bit of aeration. Now, for a small pond like this, you know, if you've got sort of small fish and things like that, this provides just that little bit of water movement, but also, of course, you know, that aeration and health for the fish as well. So with that said, absolutely, guys, I think this is a great little product if you're looking to add air into the pond, get a little bit more sort of cleaner water quality as well. And of course, you can see getting some lovely water disturbance here as well. In conclusion, I certainly believe this is one that is well worth investigating. Certainly value for money, price-wise. Of course, you've got the spare Airstones there as well, so that should keep you going. Off camera, I have tried with multiple Airstones on this, and I find the best power or we're getting is a single Airstone, best water disturbance as well. So me personally, I'd probably run it with just a single airline on that and Airstone. But with that said, guys, I will put the link to the product in the comments section below. Of course, if you have not checked out the friends of the channel, they will also be in the comments below as well. If you haven't seen some of our more recent reviews, as well as builds of some of the waterfalls with the Biling kit, again, lots on the channel there for you to watch as well. Of course, if you're not subscribed, feel free to do so. Join our amazing community. And with that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.